When homeowners in Scott look for ways to make their homes more comfortable and affordable to maintain, window replacement often ranks high on the list. Modern window replacement projects go far beyond improving curb appeal. They play a vital role in enhancing energy efficiency. Whether you're tired of drafts in winter or high cooling bills in summer, upgrading to energy-efficient windows can make a lasting impact on your home's comfort, utility costs, and environmental footprint. Lower energy bills through better insulation. One of the most immediate benefits of Scott window replacement projects is a significant reduction in energy costs. Old or damaged windows often allow heat to escape during the winter and enter during the summer, forcing your HVAC system to work harder to maintain consistent indoor temperatures. New energy-efficient windows feature advanced insulation technologies like low emissivity, low-E glass coatings, multiple panes, and argon or krypton gas fills between panes. These innovations minimize heat transfer, meaning your air conditioning and heating systems don't have to work as hard. Over time, these savings add up. Many Scott homeowners see their energy bills drop by up to 30% after a full home window replacement. Enhanced comfort. All year-round comfort isn't just about temperature, it's also about consistency. Replacing outdated windows ensures a more stable indoor environment. No more chilly drafts in January or hot spots near sun-facing windows in July. Modern replacements maintain a balanced temperature throughout your home. Energy-efficient windows also reduce outside noise. If your home is near a busy street or commercial area, you'll notice a remarkable improvement in peace and quiet. This benefit is especially valuable for families seeking both comfort and serenity indoors. Improved home value and market appeal. Investing in a Scott window replacement project offers excellent long-term value. Potential homebuyers today are increasingly focused on energy-efficient features that promise lower utility costs and eco-friendly living. Energy Star-rated windows not only enhance resale value but can also make your property more appealing on the market. In addition to functional benefits, newer windows come in a variety of styles and materials, from modern vinyl frames to elegant wood-clad designs, allowing you to boost your home's visual appeal while achieving superior energy performance. Environmental responsibility and sustainability. Energy efficiency isn't just about saving money, it's also about protecting the planet. Every bit of energy saved reduces your home's carbon footprint. By investing in replacement windows that limit heat transfer and improve insulation, Scott homeowners can contribute to a more sustainable community. Many modern window products are manufactured from recyclable materials and designed to last decades, further reducing waste and environmental impact. Choosing local Scott window replacement experts who source eco-conscious materials can amplify your contribution to a greener future. Protection against UV damage. Another overlooked benefit of energy-efficient windows is their ability to block harmful ultraviolet (UV) rays. Low-E coatings prevent up to 90% of UV radiation from entering your home, protecting your furniture, flooring, and artwork from fading or discoloration. This not only preserves your interior decor but also saves money on future replacements and repairs. Reduced maintenance and greater durability. Newer energy-efficient windows are built to withstand the elements. Advanced sealing systems prevent condensation, while durable frame materials like vinyl and fiberglass resist warping, rotting, or corrosion. Less maintenance means less time and money spent on upkeep, all while maintaining excellent thermal performance year after year. Conclusion: comfort, savings, and sustainability in one upgrade. Choosing a Scott window replacement isn't just a cosmetic upgrade, it's a smart, forward-thinking investment. With lower energy bills, enhanced comfort, and lasting environmental benefits, energy-efficient windows pay for themselves in both value and performance. For homeowners ready to take control of their energy use and create a more comfortable living space, now is the perfect time to explore professional window replacement services in Scott. The result is a home that feels better, costs less to operate, and reflects a commitment to sustainable living for years to come.